trading floor becomes cartoon battlefield. Prices change like mood swings. Markets don't decide value, people do, and they're emotional.
Giant chart panic emoji. Investors cry and celebrate randomly. Price is a public champion measured in dollars.
Welcome back. This time we're exposing how markets set prices badly.
Markets are not rational. They're competitive anxiety with funding.
Prices aren't math. They're vibes with leverage.
Market price thermometer heating up. Traders sweat profusely. Prices rise when fear of missing out burns hotter than fear of loss.
Sell, sell, sell! Oh no, it's all gone!
Get rid of it now. We're losing everything.
News headlines slaps market like fly swatter. Chart drops instantly. Prices respond faster to headlines than to reality.
This downtrend is confirmed. We are selling right here.
You are ignoring the buy signal.
This is exactly where the credit is flowing into the market.
Market learns nothing after crash. Repeats same mistake wearing a tie. History repeats because traders repeat.
Share price balloon inflates massively. Pin-labeled reality floats nearby. It only takes one prick to end the party.
Everything is aligned perfectly.
Wait, the new data just hit. It's turning red.
It doesn't matter. Great earnings don't matter if expectations are greater.
Earnings beat headline, drops stock anyway. Traders confused. Good news isn't good unless it's better than fantasy.
Quality stock yawns. When hype moves money, fundamentals ride in the trunk.
Get me everything you can find. The volume is insane.
I can't keep up. The volatility is unprecedented.
This house of cards is going to collapse.
Retail follows influencer pick. Influencer cashes out. Pump and dump is just marketing with exit strategy.
Insider knows news early. He doesn't beat the market. He meets it before you.
Liquidity shower favors hedge funds. Retail gets small drizzle. Capital is gravity. Money flows where money already lives. Mutual fund moves slowly like a green sea turtle. Hedge fund darts like a great white shark. Speed is an advantage money buys. Market maker adjusts prices instantly. Retail orders trail behind. They set the spread. Retail pays the toll.
I'm gonna be late. We have to move.
The execution is instant.
Options traders build risk towers. Retail copies without reading. Complex tools punish simple understanding.
Big banks quietly accumulate shares. Price rises without reason. Moves are made before the news explains them.
Rumor sparks buying frenzy. Truth arrives late.
Markets trade rumor. News justifies it afterward.
The numbers are out. I need 50,000 shares right now.
Oh, we are getting absolutely crushed.
Sell at resistance. Move it.
Chart moves before announcement. Retail celebrates late. If you saw it on TV, it's already priced in. Google Trends spike for stock ticker. Retail piles in. Interest is a lagging indicator for hype. Chart climbs with no earnings growth. Investors shrug. Price cares about promise, not performance.
Future!
Losses are fine if hope is trending.
Profits optional. Hype mandatory. Startups burn money confidently. Growth justifies loss until funding evaporates.
Analyst rating boosts stock. Analyst works for bank. Opinions become priced when sold by authority.
Influencer draws random lines on chart. Millions follow. Technical analysis becomes astrology for impatient capital.
Golden cross appears dramatically. Traders celebrate. Patterns work because people believe in them collectively.
Fear creates self-fulfilling prophecies faster than data.
Smart money accumulates slowly in silence. Retail waits for signal. Signals arrive after opportunity leaves.
The evidence clearly shows systematic accounting fraud. These aren't errors, they are deliberate deceptions.
How could you let this happen? We trusted you. Broad stock crashes like meteor. South Asian investors panic.
Truth enters the market like a wrecking ball.
Price bounces temporarily after scandal. Retail buys dip mistakenly. Every falling knife looks like discount until it hits bone.
The algorithms failed. We need liquidity now.
You loved capitalism until capitalism punished you. Now you come to the taxpayers.
Bankers celebrate bailout publicly. Taxpayers receive bill privately. Losses are socialized. Gains are privatized.
Central bank floods liquidity. Markets rejoice. Stimulus doesn't heal the economy. It rescues asset prices. Cheap money inflates stocks. Economy lags behind. The market recovers long before humans do.
Donation.
Investors pretend they're innovative.
Rising rates kill zombies.
Monetary policy chooses corporate winners and losers.
Market falls before recession declared. South Asian female economist surprised. Prices predict pain before experts admit it.
Look, it's the opportunity sale we talked about.
This is incredible. The transfer is happening.
Corporate CEOs blame economy for layoffs. Stock price rises. Markets reward suffering labeled efficiency.
Buyback button glows. Company reduces shares. Less supply times his higher price, even without profit growth.
Record profits! This cost-cutting worked!
I don't know what we're going to do now.
Market rewards monopoly formation. Antitrust laws take a nap. Competition dies cheaper than it's regulated.
Industry laws dissolve. Markets don't pick winners. Politics fund them.
To the future. We did it. We are officially public, and this is just the beginning.
What is this symbol? Buy more. Buy everything.
It makes no sense, but it keeps going up.
Meme coin rallies absurdly. Investors howl like wolves. People don't invest for logic. They invest for belonging.
Greed and fear battle on seesaw. Whales control tilt. Prices are auctions where confidence bids higher than knowledge.
Flash crash wipes out positions. System auto-corrects. Stability is temporary. Volatility is permanent.
Liquidity pool empties suddenly. Investors stranded.
Markets need liquidity the way lungs need oxygen.
Big banks provide liquidity drip feed. Retail begs for scraps. Liquidity follows profit, not fairness.
Risk is expensive entertainment for the wealthy.
Passive investing works until everyone does it at once. Pension funds buy safe assets. Returns shrink painfully. Safety costs more than risk in slow markets.
Investors chase yield.
Yield hides trap.
Higher return means higher danger wearing perfume.
Gold hoarders worship bars. Bitcoin cult worships code. Different religions. Same fear. Market treats commodities like poker chips. Farmers confused. Hedging protects real life. Speculation monetizes chaos. Oil price controlled by conflicts.
Traders cheer!
War creates profits labeled market opportunity.
Tech stocks fly with no earnings. Investors dream. Innovation sells hope louder than spreadsheets.
Biotech gamble roulette wheel. Investors spin DNA. Markets bet on outcomes scientists haven't confirmed.
Market predicts product success. Reality disagrees. Expectations trade fantasy until physics intervenes.
Company misses forecast by 0.001. Stock crashes violently. Precision doesn't matter. Expectations do. Retail investors panic, sell bottom. Smart money buys bottom. Panic creates discounts for professionals.
Market news repeats obvious fact. Traders act shocked. Information matters only when investors believe it emotionally.
Market responds to rumor as if truth. Truth arrives quietly. Belief sets price. Facts adjust slowly.
Interest rates raised.
Market wobbles.
Debt cost decides market mood more than earnings.
Corporate debt mountain rises. Investors ignore. Debt crisis is invisible until lenders panic. Crisis hits suddenly.
Everyone shocked!
Predictable disasters feel surprising when ignored.
Market bounces on hope pivot. Investors rejoice prematurely. Relief rallies end faster than explanations.
Government promises stability. Market yawns. Markets price action, not speeches.
Analyst predicts bull market. Predictions don't move prices. Capital does.
Hedge fund leaks strategy. Retail imitates poorly. Copying great ideas without tools causes great losses.
Central bank pivots.
Market explodes upward!
Free money is market steroids.
Liquidity overdose pops bubble. Investors hungover. Cheap money creates expensive regret.
Rebalancing sounds clean. It's actually a food fight.
The market doesn't punish stupidity. It feeds on it.
Fear index cools. Market stabilizes. Calm returns not from safety, but from exhaustion.
Companies buy their own stock. Chart rises artificially. Price doesn't reflect business. It reflects buyback budget. Derivatives amplify trends. Chart becomes roller coaster. Leverage tools make tiny ripples into tsunamis.
Insiders exit quietly. Retail enters loudly. Props leave before hype. Retail finally learns patience. Market becomes boring. When amateurs grow wis, professionals search new victims.
Media hypes new sector. Market rotates aggressively. Narratives move money faster than fundamentals.
Retail misses rotation late. Professionals already positioned. Opportunity arrives early and leaves quietly.
Market rallies irrationally. Analysts justify retroactively. Explanation comes after price, never before.
Final dip scares last holders. Smart money stops buying. Fear shakes loose the last coins from weak hands.
Quiet accumulation begins. A young African-American female heiress stands calm. Rich investors don't buy dips. They buy despair.
You survived the market circus. Now you'll learn how wealth escapes the rich to the richer.